To use Thinkorswim Web. Start by navigating to the Thinkorswim website and logging into your account. Once logged in, you will see the Thinkorswim web platform, which is divided into several sections. The top navigation bar provides access to various tools and features, including the Trade tab, Analytics tab, and Market tab. In the Trade tab, you can enter buy and sell orders and manage your positions. You can select the asset you want to trade, choose the order type, and set the quantity and price. The Analytics tab provides a range of technical and fundamental analysis tools, including charts, studies, and news feeds. You can use these tools to analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. The Market tab provides real-time market data, including quotes, charts, and news. You can customize the layout of the platform to suit your needs by adding or removing widgets and rearranging the layout. To do this, click on the settings icon and select the Customize Layout option. In the settings menu, you can also access other features, such as paper trading, which allows you to practice trading with a virtual account. This is a great way to get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies without risking real money. To get the most out of Thinkorswim Web, it is a good idea to familiarize yourself with the platform's keyboard shortcuts, which can save you time and improve your productivity. You can find a list of keyboard shortcuts in the help section of the platform. Overall, Thinkorswim Web is a powerful and flexible trading platform that provides a range of tools and features to help you trade with confidence. By following these steps and practicing with the platform, you can become proficient in using Thinkorswim Web and take your trading to the next level.